everyone, what's up? Welcome to our channel. I'm Yazd, and this story is anytime that I uploaded a video about me walking in the street and doing stuff, I received comments asking me, could you please show the items in the stores more? And the answer is sure, why not? Let's go! I love these things, hot, and I believe when you cook something in it, it's much more delicious, especially rice. But you don't eat rice, do you? What I found! It's an antique store and it's so cool! Cigarette packets? It works with gas, I guess, and it's antique too. Oh, so cute! It's keyboard, I guess. Nice. Ganja. We headed in. Oh my goodness! It's so beautiful. And we had it in Lariha house, and you put your stuff in here. It's so beautiful. I love the paintings and decoration. Another antique motorcycle. It has pedals. video so far, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you like my content, click that subscribe button. Alright, this is it. I hope you liked it, guys, and bye!